Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is cheap. Cheap is a B1 level adverb, meaning at a low cost. So when something is cheap, it doesn't cost a lot of money. Think of it as a bargain, something you might find in a sale. A synonym for cheap is inexpensive, like that restaurant is surprisingly inexpensive. Another synonym is low-priced, as in these shoes are very low-priced. An antonym of cheap is expensive, like this car is very expensive to repair. Another antonym is costly, as in a vacation in that hotel is usually very costly. You can use cheap in everyday situations. You might say that was a cheap flight to London, when you got a great deal on a plane ticket. Or maybe, this market has cheap vegetables, if the prices are lower than other stores. You can also hear phrases like cheap and cheerful, which means something is inexpensive and pleasant, like a simple cafe. Other sentence examples are, I got this dress cheap at the end of season sale, or the meal was delicious and surprisingly cheap, or they sell cheap toys at that store, perfect for party favors. So, in summary, today we learned that cheap, an adverb, means at a low cost. Synonyms include inexpensive and low-priced, and antonyms include expensive and costly. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show. And finally, create your own sentence using the word cheap and share it in the comments below.